Now, good day. Welcome back to Apostle Tutorial. If today the first time of this message, make sure you subscribe, then you share. Leave some comments and then some likes for me. Yes. Now, let's look at this particular question. Show that sine square plus cos square theta is equal to 1 using a unit circle. Now, solution. Now, when we say a unit circle, what does it mean? Unit circle. Unit circle is a circle which has the radius to be 1. It's a circle which has a radius of 1. Now, when the circle has a radius of 1, we say it is a unit circle. So let me consider a circle here having a radius of 1. Let me consider a circle having a radius of 1. So let me consider a unit circle. Now, this circle has a radius of 1. So let's say this one is the center of the circle. Now, from here to here is the radius is equal to 1. Now, let me resolve this particular question. Let me resolve it. Now, let me resolve it. To get a rectangle triangle. This one is a rectangle triangle. Now, let me consider this side to be x and then this side to be what? Y. Now, don't forget that this one is a unit circle because it has the radius to be 1. Now, the radius is the distance, equidistance from the center to the what? To the circumference of a circle. Any distance from the center to any point at the circumference of a circle is the radius. Now, so from the center to the one of the circumference is the radius, and it is what? 1. R is equal to 1. Now, from here, let me consider Pythagoras theorem. Don't forget that the hypotenuse square is equals what? Opposite square plus what? Adjacent square. Now, at this particular point, we don't have opposite, we don't have adjacent. You get it? So, let's say, let me consider this one as my theta. Let me consider this angle as my theta. Now, if this angle is theta, then let me use the same thing. Hypotenuse square is equal to what? Opposite square plus adjacent square. Now, the hypotenuse is r. So, r squared is equals to opposite. The opposite is y. So, y squared plus adjacent. Adjacent is x. So, we have s squared. Now, let me keep this one as equation 1. Let me keep this one as equation 1. Now, at this particular point, let me solve for x. How can we solve for x? How can we solve for y? In terms of r. Now, let me solve for x. Let me find sine theta. Sine is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. So, opposite over hypotenuse r. Opposite over hypotenuse r. Now, with this one, multiply this one by r. So, it means y is equal to what? Y is equals to r sine theta. Now, let's solve for x. Unless we use cos theta. Now, cos is what? Adjacent x over hypotenuse r. Multiply this one by this means x is equal to r cos what? Cos theta. Now, don't forget that the r is equal to 1. Now, if r is equal to 1, it means that even if we don't equate r is equal to 1, we can still get the answer. But if r is equal to 1, it means y is equal to sine theta, because this r is 1. And then x is equal to what? Cos theta, because this r is what? 1. Now from equation 1, we have r squared is equal to this, right? Now don't forget this r is equal to 1. So we have y squared plus s squared is equal to r squared. Don't forget that the r is equal to 1. Now what is y? Y is sine theta. So sine theta all squared. What is x? X is cos theta. So we have cos theta all what? Squared. Equal to r. What is r? R is 1. So 1 squared. Sine theta all squared, it means we have sine theta multiplying another sine theta. This is how you write. You write it like sine squared theta. And then cos theta all squared, it means we have cos theta multiplying another cos theta is the same as cos squared theta. What is 1 squared? 1 squared is 1. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. Proved. It's just simple as that. Yes. Now we're going to prove more. This one is an identity. You have to keep it in your head. Now, I think the second year, I'm going to teach the basic identity, prove all the identities. But for now, how you can prove this one using the unit circle is what I've done. Yes, you consider a circle having a radius of 1. That is a unit circle. Yes. Then you resolve the circle to form a rectangle triangle. You use a Pythagoras theorem, and then that is all. Now, thank you very much. Share the video, subscribe, like the video, give us some comments. Bye bye.